All right, for the second part of this video on using Class Notebook, we're going to look to see how to add a page to the different sections that we've created in our Class Notebook. So here I am in my advisory team. I know I want to go to my Class Notebook tab at the top. And once this opens, I've already created the notebook. I'm working in the browser versus the desktop app. I'm sure Raquel is going to show you how there is more functionality in the desktop app. But for the sake of brevity, I'm going to show you how I can add a page when I'm just in the browser. So once my class notebook opens, you're going to see to the left of the white blank page, two little icons. If you click on the top icon where it looks like books on a bookshelf, you click there and it loads your students for you. If I click under each student name, I'm going to see that I have a tracking log and a reflection log. All right, I want to create pages within each one of these tabs or sections. So I'm going to click on the reflection log and it opens up an untitled page. Well, for my reflection log, I know that I'm going to have the students do that each week. So I'm going to name that page August 2nd through the 8th. But you can name it whatever makes most sense for you. I'm going to go back and click here. So now I have a page named, but I need to add my document. So to do that, there's several ways to do that. I'm going to show you the way that I use most often. I'm going to go to the top where it says insert, and I'm going to look for my file. So once I look for my file, I'm going to insert a file printout. If I do it as a printout, then students are able to type into the document right in their notebook. So I'll click there. Now I've got to go choose the file. So I'm going to go to my PXU digital folder on my computer, and it's going to take me a minute probably to find the template, which I know most of you are going to be way more organized with this. But here I see I'm using the advisory reflection PDF, not the Word, because the format on the PDF is clearer. So I'm going to hit open and I'm going to hit insert. And it takes a minute while it's inserting the document, but there it is. I'm going to get rid of this little icon because it's not needed. And now I have the page in one student's class notebook. What I need to do now is to distribute that to all my other students. So when I'm in the browser, I go to the top again and I click Class Notebook. And here I have the option to distribute the page. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to distribute this page to get everybody's reflection log. So I click on that and I get the command to distribute. I click here and it takes a minute. We're going to wait. I want you to see what it looks like once it's completely distributed. And this might take a few seconds. Looks like the computer is working. Getting there. And now my page has been distributed, but I want to make sure. So I'm going to click out of there. I'm going to go back to the library books over here so I can see all of my students. I'm going to click on Anthony to make sure that he has the reflection log that I've just distributed. So I'm going to click on Anthony's reflection log, and there it is. There we go. Now, for some reason, he's got 2 pages. I don't like that. So in order to remove or delete that, I right click and I have an option right here to delete this page. It says permanently delete. Yes, because I only want the page that has the reflection log in it.